Hi, I'm Bricia López. Today I am going to talk to you about this new beautiful mezcal cup slash copita. When I learned about the chef series, they said, what item do you want to make? And I automatically thought, like, I would love to have a mezcal cup that can both serve to have a nice old fashioned or mezcal on ice if that's your vibe. It's beautiful, it's sturdy, it feels great on your hand. I love the weight of it. But today I'm gonna make an old fashioned and show you how to pour it into your new favorite mezcal cup. So we are just gonna eyeball it with some mezcal. Today I'm using La Locura by Mezcalero Eduardo. We have this. I'm gonna add a couple bar spoons of the cut down agave syrup, and I'm going to pour some ice. And I'm gonna peel some orange. You just want to get like a nice peel. So this, you can either use it at the end, but I actually like to squeeze some of that sense of the orange and just put it directly into it. And then just gonna stir and stir. I am gonna pour it in my mezcal cup copita. This already has an ice inside. And then that's it. You got your Oaxacan Old Fashioned.